Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxana Lane, and if you don't know, I usually do weekdays in my life, weekend in my life, or the other stuff that I like which contains pack with me, travel with me, or any other ideas you might get. Actually today is weekend, but I decided to do like my usual weekends contain cleaning the house, so why not do a special video for just clean with me. And as you see, like my bed sheets are and everything is all over the place. I have some blankets over there. My kitchen is like a mess. Apartment is a mess. So today we are going to do deep cleaning for this apartment. And the things that I need to do, let's cross the checks while I'm doing that. I need to wash the dishes, do the laundry, and I'm going to change the bed sheets and also wash them. Clean the house, organize a little bit about like one of the drawers. Cleaning the house is containing whole thing. These other stuff is just the chores a little bit. So we will get started. This is gonna take the whole day. Although it's a studio, I realize that because I have so many little tiny things which I hate right now. I wish I was like so minimalist while I was like doing my apartment. Actually I was minimalist while I was doing it, but by the time I need more stuff, more storage for me, and then I got Mika, and for Mika I needed more and more storage. So I have, like, if you watch my previous video, and I'm sure you will see it now, I have many boxes down on my bookshelf, so they are making this apartment so crowded, and I'm not happy with that. And cleaning is like, I guess you get the feeling. Oh, by the way, I need to clean the windows too. That's because it's Christmas time, and I wanted to put some like string lights over this frame, this one. Also, if it's gonna be enough, I'm planning to put other string lights from the Christmas tree to this frame, or I'm going to plan to like go all over this wall. Actually, this wall might be a better idea. Like this window, the kitchen window, and the whole this wall. That's why I wanted to do especially this deep cleaning, so I can clean the windows too. Chop chop, and let's get started. I went to the laundry room because we don't have any washer dryer in our unit. So I went there and come back, and in half an hour I need to go down to put them in the dryer. Till then I'm going to clean the kitchen, and I guess after that I need to go to the laundry and continue on to the living room. Update. I got my laundry from the dryer and now we are gonna tie them up and place in the closet. And she really likes new laundry and she just lives there. And they are so warm right now because I just took them off. But yeah, I'm all over the place because I'm trying to do I'm trying to do is multitasking. After doing them, I'm going to continue on like cleaning the house. If you thought that we are done with the cleaning, you are totally wrong. I didn't show you the toilet because this is disgusting. Even I am like really feel disgusted, even though I clean every week. Actually the toilet more, but still I feel like this is disgusting and no one needs to see that part of like any cleaning. So we are just gonna use this Swiffer and then we will be done. Hello guys, excuse my hair, it's been a tiring time. I am done with the cleaning. Finally. There are tiny little things that I need to go through, like throwing out the garbage, placing the garbage bag and stuff like that. Other than that, we are done. I don't know if you enjoyed this kind of videos or not, but I hope it will be good video for you too. And I'm gonna put my string lights right now and I'm going to try that, and after that I will probably remove makeup, eat something, take a shower and rest the rest of the day. Thank you for watching. If you can see, I'm a little tired. I don't know how long it takes. It's 3 o'clock right now and I started maybe at 11. It took a lot of time because I do the laundry and stuff and I need to go back down and you know, you saw it. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Do my thing, my girl is in the club, yeah, we're feeling down to beat, yeah, the music on repeat, baby. I don't care, no one like you, don't leave me. I know that you can feel me, we're dancing with my bling.